You're placed under arrest for threats to public officials. Yes, sir.
Listen, you can't be making them threats towards anybody like that, okay? We take that very serious.
I'll let you finish your cigarette. Tell me what's going on.
Okay, so yesterday, I'll start from the beginning. We had this case come into care. This child came into care because of neglect or abuse from either parent or from allegations of neglect and abuse.
Okay, what do you do for work? What is your position?
I'm the guardian ad litem attorney.
Okay.
Okay, so I work for the state agency.
Okay.
And I'm appointed to the case.
Okay, so you work for the state?
Yes,
okay.
I'm a state employee.
Okay.
And so this child was removed from the parent's care. She's placed with a foster care parent, and in that placement, that foster care mother received those messages, received threatening messages from the father yesterday.
Okay.
Okay. At yesterday's hearing, the magistrate Julie Oldehoff changed the goal from reunification with the parents to adoption. So we are now in the process of the DCF attorney will be in the process of filing a petition for termination of parental rights.
Do you know who the DCF attorney is?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know who this is?
She is the case manager. She is assigned by the local agency that does the DCF assigns is.
And this is in Martin County?
No, that is in Okeechobee County.
Okay.
This case is out of Okeechobee. All the parties are involved in the case is heard in Okeechobee, so I don't live in Okeechobee, and my office is not located in Okeechobee, but because of the circuit involves 4 counties.
Oh, okay.
We get involved.
So tell me a little bit more about the threats that she received.
Okay, so the threat was that he was going to kill the judges and the attorneys.
Was he present at the hearing yesterday?
He was not present at the hearing.
Okay. Was she?
He was not present at the hearing, and these threats were not made at the hearing.
Was she present there?
You got cut off, Deputy. What did you say?
I'm sorry. Was she present there? Was the mom present?
Yes.
Okay.
The mom was present at the hearing.
Okay.
The mom and dad are not together.
Okay.
Okay. So, at least from our knowledge, mom and dad are not together.
Okay.
The dad was not present. The changes were made. His attorney was present.
Has she been cooperative with you?
The mom or the attorney?
The mom.
No.
Has the attorney for the mom been cooperative?
Yes, yeah. The attorneys work well with each other, and so I've already notified the attorneys that this is going on.
Okay.
I've already notified the judge as well.
How were you notified of the threats?
So the caregiver sent it to our, for a better term, social worker.
Okay.
From our internal office, and she's like, I received these messages yesterday. And she sent them to me this morning.
And who's the caregiver? And she has the child?
Yes, she has the child.
Okay. Do you have a copy of the text messages?
Yes, and they're being filed as we speak with the court.
Okay. Would it be a possibility for you to send those pictures to my phone with this phone number?
I could probably send them by an email.
That's fine. How does he know who has custody of his child?
Unfortunately, the caregiver talks to the parents. She's very open to talking to the parents, and you want to visit the children, feel free to call me, the child, and I will schedule the visit. She on her own talks to the dad. I believe she knows either the mother or the father's family. outside of the case.
Uh-huh.
And so that's how she communicates with him.
Okay. So they already had a prior relationship to them adopting or fostering the child?
Yeah, it's likely that she will adopt the child if the child goes up for adoption. At this point, the child's not up for adoption yet.
We'll see what we can acquire here for criminal charges, if anything. And
he made a threat to harm himself as well within these messages.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if there's a possibility to be correct him immediately and then decide whether charges need to be. He's been in custody before in Okeechobee. He wasn't previously in Okeechobee County Jail, so I know that there's a record of him.
I appreciate you calling us and making us aware of this because, we don't want to take this threat lightly.
The judge was threatened. My concern is very much the judge and the courthouse, since he threatened to blow up the courthouse.
Yeah.
So,
okay.
I'm very concerned about it. Okay.
I appreciate it. Let me go speak to her.
All right, awesome. Thank you.
All right, bye now. You speak English?
Yes.
Okay. What's going on? How can I help you?
Yes. I just want to file a report because I'm a dependency case manager, and we work with Children's Home Society and Communities Connected for Kids. So we had case management. We had DCF cases. So I had a case. I am the case manager assigned to the case for Mr. So we had court on Monday, and the case plan and that case was changed from reunification to adoption.
In Martin County?
No, here in Okeechobee.
Okay, you guys met here in Okeechobee on Monday?
No, we had court. We went to court.
On Monday?
Yeah, because
in
he
Okeechobee.
has a DCF case open.
Uh-huh.
He has a DCF case open, so every 3 to 5 months we had court. And so we had a judicial review, and the caregiver yesterday sent us an email with this text message from him, threatening to kill us, if you click and do that. So I just want to file a report because he tried to kill the judge and to kill us. He is very unstable, and he has tried to kill his family before when they wanted to have that child with them, to kind of adopt that child when she was not for adoption yet. So he kind of tried to kill them as well, so they kind of stopped doing, requesting the child to be placed with them. So he makes this threat, so it's kind of scary. My supervisor asked me to file a report. And her permanency goal changed this Monday. It changed from reunification to adoption.
From what, I'm sorry?
Reunification. Reunification. When the case plan is reunification, it means that the parents are able to do a case plan to have her back. When the case plan changed to adoption, that means that we are filing a TPR to terminate the rights.
Okay.
So that's why he is so upset now, because our next step will be to file a TPR.
So instead of him having the ability to get the child back some way, the child is now being put up for adoption?
Not yet. It's putting the next step, the process to start to file for TPR. Okay. Termination of parent right. That is the next step when a case plan go change from reunification to adoptions. So that's why he got really upset.
Yeah, I got pepper spray. Hey! Window open. I don't see visual. Yep. I got eyes on the window.
Yeah, just off that window.
I got it. The trailer to the north, so it should be over there. The blue trailer? 10-4. 10-4. He's talking about the trailer to the north. Yeah, this is the one he's talking about.
Right now, we're just detaining you, okay?
Okay.
You're not under arrest at this time.
Okay.
All right. You have the right to remain silent, though. You have the right to an attorney. Have one present anytime during question. You understand your rights?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know you have the right to stop answering at any time during question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have a rights card.
Yep.
All right.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything that you say may be used as evidence against you in the court of law. You have the right to call or obtain an attorney at this time. Have one present anytime during questioning. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, the court will appoint you one without cost. If you decide to answer any questions, you have the right to stop at any time during questioning. You understand these rights?
Yes, sir.
Or having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me at this time? I just want to clarify some stuff real quick.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Should I smoke? Do you mind if I have a cigarette?
Yeah, let's walk out here.
Yeah.
We're running back.
You want to come out this way?
Listen, we got to make sure you're safe because I don't think you're in the right state of mind right now. Did you accidentally, out of fear, out of being pissed off or anything, send a message about killing somebody? So we got a message here say, yeah, that's.
Oh, it's this phone.
Do you mind us looking at this phone?
No, sir. Go ahead.
You got a passcode?
Yes, sir.
You have your phone?
So these are the text messages that you're referring.
You just sent these off of being.
So these about I'm gonna blow the courthouse up and kill the judges, corrupt and state. You know, what did you mean by these? What's your daughter's name?
Daughter's she's should be 12 months this 22nd.
Okay. So did you mean any of that, or you were just upset?
No,
I mean that stuff's not taken lightly, Chris.
You hear what he's saying?
yes sir, don't worry about it.
You gotta know, don't you?
No sir.
That's another lighter.
I do? Oh, okay. Thank you.
I'm trying to be cordial with you. We're just trying to make sure that everything's going good and everything like that.
Did you have any intentions of wanting to harm yourself?
No sir.
Okay. If given the opportunity, would you hurt yourself?
No sir.
Okay. Look, 'cause I get losing your daughter, you know, that the kind of thing might be serious. You know, that's a lot. You know, I care for kids, and I would hate to lose my kid. But were you just upset for what reason?
Yeah, because well, I can't get on with my lawyer, and Monday was we were in court, but I wasn't able to make it. So I couldn't get a hold of her to find out what was going on, and here it's been like 2 days now. So then I started trying to get a hold of the case manager. Couldn't get a hold of her. So then when I got a hold of her talking to me, I just the lady just under the messages.
And who is she to you?
She's just the caretaker lady taking care of my daughter.
She has your daughter? Okay. Those are the same texts that I just
These are just
witnessed.
copies from his phone where they sent us. These are your text messages? Okay.
Alright. You want to bring your phone with you?
Yeah.
You'll be placed under arrest for threats to public officials. Yes, sir.
Listen, you can't be making them threats towards anybody like that, okay? We take that very serious.
I'll let you finish your cigarette, Chris.
Is this your house right here? Who lives with you?
Landlord.
Your landlord? Is that the guy that was sitting outside?
Yeah.
Okay, so he's good to lock everything up?
Yeah.
Okay.
I see you're emotional right now, Chris, but You know,
Yeah, I didn't think the last thing I want to do, man.
no, I understand, brother. Look, I sympathize with you. You know, I feel bad for your situation, what's going on with your daughter. But, you know, with everything that goes on with the shootings and people getting killed and active shooters and police getting shot, you know, that's not something that we take very lightly. Were you drunk? Were you high? Was there something that could explain that behavior from you? You know, give me something to work with. Okay. Do you have any weapons?
No, sir.
There's no weapons in that home?
No, sir.
You don't have access to any weapons? At a friend's house, your friend wouldn't let you borrow a gun to...
Are you a convicted felon?
No, sir.
Do you have a concealed weapons permit or anything?
No, sir.
Have you ever owned a pistol or rifle or anything?
Yes, sir.
Where are them at?
I don't have them anymore. This was a long time ago.
You said you live here? What room do you
Yes,
live in
sir.
there? You live all the way on this side?
Yes, sir.
Is that your big dog?
Yes, sir.
That brown dog, that cur dog, got pepper sprayed. It was just coming after the canine, so. It's gonna be fine.
Well, that's what he's supposed to do. We'll not come after him, but I got into a fight about a month ago, and I didn't even see my dog over here coming to me. I didn't have him with me, and then all of a sudden the guy told me, he said, "Man, your dog was right there." I said, "What?" My dog came in and we started getting on the action too.
Yeah, I've been over here. I've seen that dog. That dog's friendly. Alright, Chris, we'll get you in the AC, alright, brother? I know it's hot out here. But I appreciate you talking to us, alright?
Double up.
I'll give you yours back. Is there anything else you need to take with you besides your phone? I'll grab some numbers out of here so you can call someone.